Hi, I'm Marie Stubbs. Welcome to my channel, Fit for 80. And I think if you look at my t-shirt, the clue is there. I will soon be 80 and I'd like to be as fit as possible. So today I'm going to show you something I like doing from time to time. It's called a mini circuit. So you don't need lots of fancy equipment for this because some people don't have fancy equipment. But most people have tins of beans, bottles of water and sugar packs. So you can use any of those with care, obviously, and they will do the same job for you. So I've already done a 5-minute warm-up just to get my heart rate up, and I'm going to do 3 of these little exercises. First one is for the arms, and it's bicep curls, which you can do standing or seated. Second one is tricep kickbacks, which sounds quite good, doesn't it? Quite sort of gym-like. And that's for the back of your arms, which ladies are interested in, women and men, of course, I suppose. And then I'm going to do a front raise, which I think is quite good for my shoulders. So obviously, if you're in the mood, you can just keep going on this one. Keep repeating all the exercises. If you're not in the mood, you can do what I do and do it once, but I'll probably do it a lot more times once the camera is turned off. Here we go. Bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very observant people probably noticed that I try to keep my elbows quite tight into my sides. That helps, and little movements are very useful as well. So I'm now going to do my tricep kickbacks. 8 of those. That's 8 for each arm. Get myself in position. Lift my arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch over. Get the right leg in position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can actually feel that pulling in the back of your arm, which I think is quite a good feeling actually. So now it's front raise, 8 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as I said, you can go on indefinitely. And what I quite like about those little mini exercises is that you find that you're automatically pulling your core in while you're doing them, or I do anyway. So I quite enjoy doing those, and I think I'm going to continue in a moment. So, Marie Stubbs, Fit for 80. If you enjoyed looking at my little video, I've got other ones on YouTube as well and Instagram. So please comment, like, or subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.